Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know in the previous video I have already explained ratio, proportion and unitary method. But today I will explain percent. What is percent? Dear students, as you know, percent. Percent is the one which is the combination of per and cent. Per plus cent. What is the meaning of per? Per meaning is or out of. Its meaning is or out of. And cent means 100. Cent means 100. Century, as you listen about the century made by this word cent. So century means also 100 and cent means 100. So percent means out of 100. So if you talk about the percentage, then it means out of 100. Symbol of percent is this. This is the symbol of percent, and it is taken from 100. Dear friends, this is 100 and percent is out of 100. So percent sign is here is slash and here is 0 and here is 0. So this symbol is taken from 100. So I hope that this is clear to you. That percent means out of 100. So if you talk about 2%, it means anything divided in 100 part, and if you talk about the 2 part, then that is called 2%. So I hope that this is clear to you. Now fraction which denominator is 100. Suppose that 2 by 100. 2 by 100 means 2%, because 2 out of 100. And ratio is also called percent if second term is 100. Suppose that 5 ratio 100. So it will be equal to the 5 upon 100, and 5 upon 100 means 5 out of 100. It means 5%. So correct 5%. So ratio which is at the 5 ratio 100, that is 5%. And fraction whose denominator is 100 can be written as 2%. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now converting fraction and ratio to percentage. How to convert fraction and ratio to percentage? Converting fraction and ratio to percent. How to convert fraction into the percent? Suppose that this is fraction 3 by 5. Suppose that this is fraction 3 by 5 and you have to convert this fraction into the percentage. Then how to convert this fraction into percent? This fraction apply 3 by 5 multiply by 100. Then 25 by 100 and 20 multiplied by 3 will be equal to the 60%. So this process we can convert any fraction into the percentage. Now ratio, how to convert ratio into the percent? Suppose we consider the ratio 7 ratio 10. This is ratio and how to convert this ratio into the percent? So first of all, I will write this ratio as in the file 7 by 10. 7 by 10. And if you want to convert this ratio into percent, then you multiply 100. 10 10 100. And 10 multiplied by 7 will be 70%. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. And you can do this type of question very easily. Now, I will revise exercise 8.2. I will revise exercise 8.2, which is based on the percentage. Question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 8.2. Of exercise 8.2. Question is convert the following fractions to percentage. Convert the following fractions to percentage. Question is first part is 2 by 5 and second part is 24 by 80. How to convert this fraction into percentage? First of all, 2 by 5. Solution 2 by 5. We have to convert 2 by 5 into percentage. So I will multiply this by 100. Now here 100 is divided by 5. So 5 on the 5, 25 the 100. And 20 multiplied by 2 will be equal to the 40. Therefore it will be equal to the 40%. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now second part is 24 by 80. 24 by 80. 24 by 80. So I will multiply 100 by 24 by 80. Multiply by 100. Here 0 is cancelled by this 0 and 8 3 are 24. Now here is 10 and here is 3. When you multiply 3 by 10, when you multiply 3 and 10, we get 30, then it will be equal to the 30%. So 24 by 80 equals 30%. Now next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 8.2. Convert the following decimals to percentage. Convert the following decimals to percentage. First part is 2.05 and second part is 0.92. Solution. Dear students, in this question we have to convert decimal into the percentage. So how to convert decimal into percentage? So first of all, I will multiply decimal number by 100 and you write percentage sign after this. So here is 2.05. You have to convert this decimal into the percentage. So I will multiply this decimal by 100. Then it will be equal to the 2.05 multiply 100. Then when you multiply 2.0 by 100, it will be equal to the 205%. So 2.05 will be equal to the 205%. Now next 0.92. Next part is 0.92. 0.92. Same process I will apply this question. 0.92 multiplied by 100. 0.92 multiplied by 100 and then it will be equal to the 92%. So 0.92 will be equal to the 92%. Now next question is question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 8.2. Convert the following percentage. In this question, you have to convert percentage into the fraction in lowest form. Convert the following percentage to fractions in their lowest term. In their lowest term. In their lowest term. Question is, first part is 25%. 25% and second is 12.5%. We have to convert this fraction into the fraction and fraction is in the form of lowest term. So how to convert this percentage into the fraction? So here 25 first part is 25%. Then 25% means 25 out of 100. You can write 25 is 25 out of 100. This is the form of fraction, but it is not in the lowest term. So I will make this fraction in the lowest term. So I will take a CF of 25 and 100. A CF of 25 and 100 will be 25. So I will divide 25 and 100 by a CF 25. So 25 for the 25, 25 for the 100, then it will be equal to the 1 by 4. So 25% will be equal to the 1 by 4 in the lowest term. Now next is 12.5%. 12.5%. We have to convert this percentage into the fraction. So I will write 12.5 by 100. I will write 12.5 by 100. First of all, I will remove decimal. How to remove this decimal? Here decimal places is one place, so I will multiply 10 in the numerator and 10 also in denominator. Then this decimal point can be removed. So multiply 10 and multiply by 10 in the denominator. Then it will be equal to the 125 upon 1000. Now this is the form of fraction. So I will convert this fraction in the lowest term. How to convert this fraction in the lowest term? I will find a CF of 125 and 1000. A CF of 125 and 1000 will be 125. A CF of 125 and 1000 will be 125. Then I will divide 125 by 125 and 1000 by 125. So it will be equal to the 125 over 125 and 125 get the 1000. So it will be equal to the 1 by 8. So 12.5% will be equal to the 1 by 8. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 of exercise 8.2. Question number 5. Question number 5 is what percentage is each of the following? What percentage in each of the following? In each of the following. What percentage in each of the following? Question is, first part is 30 out of 60. 30 out of 60. And second is rupees 20 out of rupees 20. Solution of first. Solution 30 out of 60. 30 out of 60 is 30 by 16. We have to convert. This is in the form of fraction. So how it convert percentage? Then it will be equal to the multiply by then 1 by 2. 30 by 60 equal 1 by 2. When you convert this is the fraction, then it will be percentage, then it will be 1 by 2 into 100 and it will be equal to the 50%. So 30 out of 60 will be 50%. Now 20 out of 20 it will be equal to the second part. 20 out of 20 multiplied by 100, then it will be equal to the 100%. So 30 out of 60 will be 50% and 20 out of 20 will be 100%. So dear student, I hope that these all question is clear to you. Thank you so much.